Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up in 15 minutes. Actually already took one trade here on GIL, which is what I'm still watching right now. So I'm up 135 on the day already. Market, like I said, officially opens at 9:30. If you're not familiar, the market's actually got what would be called pre-market, which means you can do trading before the market officially opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. But not all brokerages offer that. So depending on what broker you use, you may not have the opportunity to actually participate in the pre-market trading. But the broker I use, being that they are a direct access broker, Lightspeed being the name, they do allow for pre-market trading. So that's what I mean by pre-market. So up with $135. And we'll see what happens as the day plays out. So I'll see you back in about 15 minutes. All right, have an order at $23.95. GIL really coming to life here. Market opens up in less than 5 minutes, so maybe I'll get filled right before the open, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Markets are open. Have my order at $24.25 because I want to see how this one actually trades now with quote unquote normal volume in it, now that like I said, markets are officially open. So we'll see if it can break up through that $24 mark. Again, first entry point up here at $24.25, represented by that green line there. So there's the break, there's the fill and out. Wow. It was in and out within literally seconds. So you can scroll back and rewatch it, but yeah, in and out within seconds. Next first order at $24.45. Wow, what a move that was. Well, good. I'm excited I caught that on video. Just how fast the markets can move. So that is micro scalping right there. Now, of course, in hindsight, I look like an idiot for not holding, but unfortunately, this is not a trade simulator. This is real trading, so I don't know what's going to happen. Had I known that was going to happen, I would have probably held, but let's see, what is that down there? Just in case the price all of a sudden flushes to the downside, I am going to get an order to buy at $22.75. So have an order to short at $24.45 or an order to buy at $22.75. We'll see what happens. All right, well, all of a sudden the price jumped right back up there like that. So still looking to get filled at $24.45. So I'll let the video run here. Let's see if it can get up there. All right, well, I don't like how it was pausing, so let's go to $24.75. So $24.75, next first entry point. Trying to show this one some respect because as it's demonstrated, it can move very, very quickly and in a hurry. So I'd rather err on the side of caution. But $24.75, next entry point. So let's see if it can work its way up there. Okay, it's going for a potential break of $24.50. And back down it goes. All right, I'll pause. All right, working its way back up there. There's the break. Oh, and it stopped at $24.72. Well, time to go to $24.95. Yeah, so if you're not familiar with my screen right there, you can see the highs, and it stopped at $24.72. So 3 cents shy of where I wanted in. But let's give it a try up at $24.95. All right, stop there. I'm not going to give up on it quite yet. Well, literally went up there and hit $24.95, but I didn't get any shares. So a good example of why nailing the top's not necessarily a good thing. Because yeah, I definitely nailed the top there, but I got no shares. So this one's getting pretty tricky, but all right. Have an order at 25.35 now. Looking for a fast movement up above 25. So 25, the round number, is definitely going to be a key break. And back down it goes. Okay, once again working its way up to potentially a break of 25. Definitely a lot of selling here at 24.90 though. There's no doubt about that. I'm not quite willing to commit, but I may be trying to get short here around the 24.90 mark. Like I said, not willing to totally go there yet, but I mean, the price is definitely struggling around that area, but I feel best right now, still up at 25.35. But yeah, from watching the level 2s here, definitely something going on around 24.90. But can it break up through 25? That's the key break right now. It's going to go for it. There's the break. Went up and hit as high as 25.25. So I'm in for my opening allotment. Let's see, 25.75 for my next allotment. Let's go to 25.20. So again, my next allotment is at 25.75. Go for some up there at 25.85 also. So we'll see if it wants to work its way up just a little bit more and fill me at the 75 mark. So if the price hits that green line there, that represents my current profit area. Let's just do this now. Move this green line up to. So now if the price hits the green line there, that has me in the green. So we're trying for some shares at 25.85 and then 25.95. It's trying to get up there to 85. Oh, come on. What does this one want to do? There we go. Got those at 85. Nice. Got those at... Okay, let me get some more orders out there and stop talking for a second. So I have some orders out there at 26.25, 26.35. So now if the price can pull back here to the green line there, I am making money. Let's try for some at 26.15. Well, it doesn't want to get me. There we go. Okay, so good. Got those. Excellent. So it gave me 100 at, wait a second, no. 25.85 is where I want to buy. So let's see if the price can now get down to that green line. I will be in the green. I'm going to 26.45, 26.55. 26.65. All right, it's pulling back here. Again, if it hits that green line, then that represents me being in the green. Going to go ahead and get some more there at, well, try to get some at 25. There we go. So now right there is representing where I'd like to see the price pull back to. Oh, well, we're at 12 minutes. All right, well, this is going to be a little bit longer of a video. Oh, nice. Okay, let me see if I can get some up around there. Good. Okay, good. Let me now adjust this line. So just scattering out some buy orders. So if the price can get down to the green line there, then I am going to be starting to reap some profits. Again, price has got to pull back there to that green line. I mean, nothing's going to go straight up. So at 6,000 shares right now, but let's see if the price can get down there. Like I said, hit that green line. It's making a move. It's trying. All right, what I'll do for now, no, I'll keep it going. But let's see, like I said, can the price hit that green line? It does not want to go down there, does it? Keep stopping right there. Can it hit the green line? It's trying. There we go. So I'm going to start to loosen up the position here. So I have 1,100 shares left. So now what I'm going to do is put a stop loss in for the remaining at 26. No, I have 1100 left. So I'm going to put a stop loss in right there. So now it's not a matter of if I make money, but how much money am I going to make? And I'm out there. So to explain that last part, so up $1,100 now, but to explain that last part, I had 1,100 shares short. So the idea here was that, you know, this thing could have kept on rolling further and further downwards. And at that point, who knows how much those final 1,100 shares would have been worth. I mean, theoretically, they could have been worth thousands upon thousands of dollars had the price continue to pull back. So I was in the spot to be not if I make money, but how much money am I going to make? But as you saw, it just decided to bounce back up, and it took me out. But I did have those 1,100 remaining shares, and I was positioned in a spot that, you know, had it continued to roll over, that would have been a very, very nice payday. Let's see, it is 9:47. So let's see, 17 minutes in, $1,100. I'm not a greedy savage. I'm more than happy with $1,100 in 17 minutes of quote unquote work. But let's see what else I can find. Okay, well, I missed some of it, but I'll go with 380. So once again, a quick move happened and went up to 2670 and filled me 380 shares that I wanted. So let's just make this an even 400 I can work with. Again, wanted 500, but it only gave me, so wanted 500, only gave me 380. So we'll see. Honestly, I'm thinking about just hopping out. This is kind of silly right now at 3. Well, there we go. So out there. So I don't even know what the math on that one was. But so now I'm up 1156. And actually, I'm going to wrap things up. Well, I take that back. I'm lying. Because if we do get a breakout, I want to. So if it does get up to 26.99, I would be interested. So if it gets up there while I close things out here, then yeah, maybe we'll have another. But for context sake, it is a Friday right now when I'm doing this recording. It is 9:58. So just about 30 minutes into the day, I'm up, like I said, 11:56. So 11:56 in 30 minutes on a Friday. I'm more than happy with that. So I think I'm just going to call it a weekend unless, like I said, the price gets up there. So, and I'll just wrap things up. But if you do enjoy these videos and you would like me to keep making them, then the easiest way to communicate that to me is to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a comment down below. What is one of your favorite setups? Let me know that, and I want to try to get a little more interactive with the comments. So in the comment section, what are some of your favorite setups? You just saw one of mine where I'm able to build a little bit bigger size, and then when the price goes in your favor, you can make it work for you. So these are some of my favorite setups. So let me know in the comment section down below. If you are interested in trading alongside me and other traders, then you can go to claytrader.com. I offer a live chat room there that has a newsletter. You get an interactive chat room with me and other traders. And then finally, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts and technical analysis and all that good stuff, then I'm going to adjust that. Because remember the last time it broke, it went up to that 25 round number. So let's see if we can get up to 27.25. So there's the break. Come on. Oh, look at where it's stopping. That's probably the signal. I'll try one more time at 45. So let's see if it wants to get up to 45 or not. But like I said, I offer what's called the Trading Freedom Pathway Program at claytrader.com. So check that out if you're interested in learning more about how to use charts to build a strategy that works for you. Right now I'm putting myself in position. So I guess I kind of lied, because let's see if it can get up to 45. So it's trying. Once again, hit a high of 44. hit a high of 44. So I'm not going to let this thing. I'll go to 65. But yeah, this one, I mean, you just witnessed it once again. Literally going right up to my order and just stopping. Okay, going for maybe a break of 50. There it is. This is ridiculous. Hit 27.65. Did not fill me. I mean, I'm glad I'm kind of capturing this because, yeah, this is this one just enjoys Elgo City. So let's try 27.85 and 27.85. You know, let's do this because it's always done it likes those round numbers. So let me put an order up there at 95 and that's it. I'm not going to move that one. I will let it fill me regardless because I like that initial entry point. So I will pause. Wow, this is the longest video I've done in a while. Over 20 minutes. That's okay. I know some of you like the long videos, so here you go. All right, this one's starting to look a little bit top heavy here. So going to try for some at 27.45. All right, well, this is just getting stupid at this point. So I am officially wrapping things up here. So thank you for watching. I apologize for the last couple minutes, but I figured, you know, knowing how it works, had I would have just ended the video, I'm sure I would have gotten filled. But I decided to let the video run, and here we are. So again, if you enjoyed the video, just hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Again, leave me a comment down below. What is some of your favorite strategies to use? And yeah, I'm curious to hear that. And if you have any questions about the community or the training program I offer, feel free to let me know. Thanks, take care, and I'll see you back for the next video. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.